Hello friends, welcome to Daily English Practice. Today we will learn English sentences used at home. These sentences are very easy and useful. If you speak English at home, your confidence will increase quickly. Let's start with simple sentences. Morning sentences. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I am feeling fresh today. What's for breakfast? Repeat after me. Daily actions. Please turn off the fan. Open the window, please. I am getting late. I will do it later. Food and family. Let's eat together. The food is very tasty. I'm hungry. I'm full now. Evening and night. I'm tired today. What are you doing? Turn off the lights. Good night. Sweet dreams. Practice time. Speak loudly. Repeat each sentence 2 times. Use these sentences today at home. Quick revision. Good morning. What's for breakfast? Let's eat together. Good night. Practice English daily at home. Like, share, subscribe. See you in next video.